would say go 1 centimeter down. Perfect. Okay, feet together. You put your arms to the left and to the right and palms up. So the palms look up and the arms are separate left and right. So the mid of the kneecap is in the mid of the board. That's important. Feet are together and toes pointing to the ceiling straight up. So we have 90 degrees here. So, and now I have to measure the mid of the thigh. Can I touch you?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So we take the spina iliaca anterior superior. That's in English it's Asis. Anterior.
Top of the iliacus.
Again?
Top of the iliac bone.
Exactly. So you go in the middle of the thigh, you go up, you test, and then there comes a bony part here suddenly. So even when you work with overweighted people, you find this bony part. Okay? So you go up the thigh a little bit with your thumb, and then suddenly appears a bony part. Very prominent. This one is your reference. The next one is the reference is the mid of the patella. So and then you measure from these two bony parts, landmarks, I measure 50 centimeters, and I take the half, it's a 25. And at the half of, I'm placing my thumb. So at the mid of the thigh. Can I have the second one?
Yes.
Thank you. So, just for imagination, so just for you, you don't need this one, the second one. But just for you to get it now clearly, these are my corridors. Okay? So I have, like in the ankle clearing test, I have 3 zones. Now I have a 1 zone, a 2 zone, and a 3 zone. So this is my 3 zone for 3 points. This between is my 2 zone, and everything in front of here is my 1 zone. So this is 1 point, this is 2 points, this is 3 points. Okay? You got that? Good. So, Nino. So Nino now has to lift his right leg straight up. So I'm telling you, please lift your right leg straight up and keep with your left leg, keep position in contact with the board. Okay. Feet together, toes pointing up. Please raise your right leg straight up. Okay, good. And back. So now I'm looking how far can he go. And I'm checking his medial malleolus. So how far can his medial malleolus go and where does he reach without compensation? Okay, second. Okay, good. So he shows us quite a big range of motion, but, go back, but?
With the compensation.
With compensations. So now the interesting thing is when does the compensation start?
In which zone?
In which zone? And that's my start, that's my stop sign. Okay, when I see a kind of compensation, like he's bending his moving leg, or maybe he's starting to lift his left leg, or maybe he's starting to turn his left leg. Okay? These are typical compensations. And that is my stop signal. Okay. And right leg, please, lift your right leg. And then I have to say stop.
Yep.
Because he's starting to move that one, and he wants to
Flex.
bend his knee already. And from here, I take the measurement straight down. And where does it land?
Number 2.
He lands on 2. So he's a 2 point on the right. Okay, good. So you get a third rep. And then for me it's like, okay, then he's starting to move that one. And then I take the landing mark and it's a 2 again. So you're 2 points on the right. So then I turn on the other side.
Pain?
Sure. Pain?
No.
Okay. So another way to measure